Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice problem for the value of x. Log of x to the base 2 plus log of x to base 3 is equal to 5. And we are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. As from an logarithmic identity that if we have log of m divided by log of n, this is equal to log of m to the base n. Or if we have log of m to the base n, this is equal to log of m divided by log of n. Here we have log of x to the base 2, so we can write this as this will become log of x divided by log of 2 plus log of x divided by log of 3. This is equal to 5. Using this logarithmic properties, we get this. Now log of x is common between these two terms, so we can factor out log of x inside here 1 divided by log of 2 plus here 1 divided by log of 3 will be left, and at the right hand side we have 5. Now log of x into the LCM of 1 divided by log 2 plus 1 divided by log 3, log 2 multiplied by log 3, which is LCM, and this will become log of 3 plus log of 2. At the right hand side we have 5. Now using another logarithmic property, that if we have log of m plus log of n, this is equal to log of m multiplied by n, log of mn. So we can apply this logarithmic property here. Log of x into this will become log of 3 multiplied by 2 divided by log of 2 into log of 3. This is equal to 5. Now log of x into log of 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6, divided by log of 2 into log of 3 is equal to 5. Now log of x into log of 6 divided by log of 2 into log of 3 is equal to 5. Now multiplying both sides by log 2 log 3 divided by log 6. Here we will multiply with log 2 log 3 divided by log of 6. So now this from denominator and from numerator cancel out, and these are same, this is also cancel out. Here we will left with log of x is equal to 5. Here this will become log of 2. We can write this as log of 2 log of 3 divided by log of 6. Now dividing both sides by log 2. As we have discussed that from an logarithmic property that if we have log of m divided by log of n, this is equal to log of m to the base n. Here log of x to the base 2, this will become, is equal to this log of 2 and log of 2 cancel out 5, and this will become log of 3 to the base 6. As if we have log of x to base a is equal to b, then this will become x is equal to a power b, or we can write this in logarithmic form as log of x to base a is equal to b. Using this form, this will become x is equal to 2 power 5 log 3 to the base 6. Suppose that this is b and this is x to the base a. So using this logarithmic form, we can write this as now x is equal to, we can write this as 2 power 5 whole power log 3 to the base 6, because if we have a power mn, this is equal to a power m whole power n. These two powers will multiplying each other. So finally we get x is equal to 2 power 5 means multiplying 2 5 times, we get 32. 32 power 3 to the base 6. This is the value of x. We have found this using different logarithmic properties. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.